Morning. So today it's one of those days where I need a super strong coffee. Luckily for me, there is a Turkish restaurant downstairs. We're in Cecilia Forest and right now we are getting major Jurassic Park vibes. And yes, I'm still too unfit for this.
We need to take a break because Demi is tired.
I'm a little unfit. Just my luck. We're lost. We took the wrong routes up, and clever us, we didn't take a picture of the map at the bottom. So we were on our way to try and find the waterfall, and we're lost. We just got back, just had the most amazing cold shower. Now I have to edit, and yes, I caved. I got my ice cream. It's actually going to be really cool to edit. It's honestly felt like Jurassic Park, and I can't wait to see what it looks like on the laptop. And then maybe a little later we'll catch some dinner with Craig. It'll be the last dinner before he goes back, and then hopefully catch the last sunset on the rock. Plans have changed. We were gonna go and grab takeout and then go to the rock for the sunset, but our president's just opened the beaches, so now we're gonna go and have our takeout on the beach and watch the sunset. I can't wait. So we got takeout from a secret backdoor kitchen with no signs, no doors. It's literally just a garage door that opens up. It smells delicious. So
He's the one that said it first.
So